We'll do one more, yeah.
Hey guys, photographers here. Oh god, this is terrible. Hey photographers, Fox is here. All of us are feeling a little bit nervous about what's happening in the world and with our businesses right now. We're all in the same boat. We're all not making any money. We're not accepting new bookings. We're canceling shoots. We're rescheduling shoots. And then on top of it, we're all sitting at home not doing the things that we love most. We're not shooting. We're not outside exploring and photographing. So we feel like we need to be productive and we need to be working on our businesses and building our websites and our SEO and our Pinterest and our Instagram. And we're looking at our to-do list. I thought you were making fun of me because I was rambling.
No, it's like there's so much to do.
It is. It's crazy. We have so much that we could be doing right now, but
we're just watching Netflix and drinking cocktails.
It's true. Like we're not inspired.
So we decided to put together 2 action plans to tackle the 2 big issues right now. 1, lack of income during the quarantine, and 2, how we can better our businesses during this quarantine and emerge from it better than ever before, providing a better service, making our jobs easier for ourselves, and feel like we actually accomplished something during all this time at home, aside from binging Tiger Kings.
There's nothing wrong with binging Tiger King.
No, we did that. That's important.
That should actually be on the action plan. So how are we going to make money when we can't be out photographing and doing photo shoots? One easy way is reach out to past clients. Reach out to people that you've already worked with, that already know your company, your brand. They love you, they support you, and they want to see you be successful and make it through this tough time. And how do you do that? Create a marketing campaign. Through your online galleries, you can send out an email to everybody marketing a discount or a sale or promoting a special product. And they'll get something out of it too. They'll help you out by purchasing a product, but they also get to receive a print. And when you're creating these marketing campaigns, the most important thing is the copy, the text that you put in the email campaign. You want to speak from your heart and let them know that you're really thankful for the support.
Another thing you can do is reach out to friends and family. Now, they're not past clients, they don't have galleries that they can order prints from, but there are still things you can do as a photographer to provide value to them. Some ideas would be offering to edit a friend or family member's vacation photos. Their iPhone photos look good, especially if they've got that iPhone 11, which is bomb, but I bet they would look a lot better with your preset on them. Another thing you can do is offer to design a photo album. Even offer a package, edit their photos, and design a photo album for them. You could also create a print store and collect all of your favorite photographs, whether they're landscapes or abstracts or black and whites or any other kind of art that you think would look great on a wall. Send an email to your friends and family and let them know that this is a great way that they can decorate their house while they're stuck in it for so long right now. And it's gonna help you out as you're not making money right now.
Lastly, you should definitely take advantage of the government assistance. There are a couple different things that you can apply for and take advantage of right now. One of them is the Injury Disaster Relief Loan. We'll put a link at the bottom of the video so you can go read about it and apply for it right now. But it's essentially a $10,000 loan for your business that can be forgiven if you're using it on specific things like payroll.
Additionally, you can apply for more money through a local lender that will be funded by the Small Business Association, and that money will also be forgiven if it is spent within 8 weeks on qualified expenses.
Another great thing is that unemployment benefits were just extended to freelancers. We'll provide some more links at the bottom where you can find out information on specific states and how to apply. So those are some of the things that you can be doing to get money into your pocket right now. Now we're going to talk about the most important things that you should be focusing on during this quarantine to set up your business so that it is in a position to thrive. First thing to work on is your CRM and your workflow. So a CRM is a client relationship management software. We can just have one place that we access to see our entire email communication, all of our notes about them and their day, and their contract, their invoice. Everything is in one place for you to keep track of everything.
If you're not on a CRM already, get
on it. I have a blog post and another video about the things that we love about HoneyBook. I'll link to that at the bottom of this video so you can check that out as you're getting started on this. So a workflow goes hand in hand with a CRM. And the workflow is the communication that you have between each client every step of the way. And we have automated emails that go out between us and our clients. And we've actually compiled all of our templates, including how we reply to inquiries, the things that we communicate with our clients, all of our questionnaires that we send to them. We've compiled all of our templates into a downloadable zip file. So if you would like to easily get a hold of your workflow, you can just download all of those and customize them for you and your business.
So now what do you do for the external side of your business? That being your blogging, social media, website, all these things. I don't know where to start. We recommend writing some blogs, specifically some planning resource blogs. Things like what kind of shoes to wear to an elopement, how to incorporate family, maybe best picnic ideas.
That does a couple of things. You now have content that you can provide for your current clients, and you can actually fit it right into the workflow that you've already created. You also look like an expert for future couples that are searching for their elopement photographers. Now you've got content that you can use for social media, which we'll talk about in the next thing. And also blogging is just really great for search engine optimization, or SEO. So it's kind of like a 2-bird, 1 stone with the blogging, a planning resource.
I think that was 4 birds, 1 stone.
4 birds, 1 stone. Finally, we get to outreach. How are you going to get your business and your company in front of potential couples? There's a ton of different ways you can do this between marketing and advertising, different social media platforms, all kinds of things. Let's pick one and focus on one. And let's pick one that has multiple advantages. I'm talking about Pinterest. If you're becoming a Pinterest master, you're appearing on a social media platform that a lot of wedding couples are spending a ton of time on, and you're boosting your SEO. The cool thing about Pinterest is every time someone clicks one of the photos and follows through to a website, your website is getting one more click through, and Google loves seeing that. So when we started working with Pinterest, it was incredibly overwhelming because I never used it, and neither did Brandon. We didn't really know anything about it. And now we've done a couple of simple things, and we have almost 200,000 monthly viewers. So it's not that hard to figure out. You can put a little bit of time into it and really start performing well on that platform. A couple things you could do right away is start using Tailwind. Tailwind is a program that automates your pinning for you. But a great thing about it too is it has a lot of resources for learning how to use Pinterest. They have a whole blog with a ton of resources on best Pinterest practices and how to use Pinterest, the platform, and Tailwind, the platform.
So hopefully these ideas give you a solid action plan to stop feeling so overwhelmed, pick some items to tick off the list, and know that you are bettering your business during this entire quarantine Stay safe. Wash your hands.
Stay home. Watch Tiger King. Reread Harry Potter.
Cook some delicious food.
Make some fun cocktails.
Tune into our Instagram lives. Pet your dog.
Thanks, guys.